Repotting plants successfully. Repotting plant in fresh soil provides essential nutrients to plants. Best time to repot is spring and summer. Only repot in cold season if it is necessary due to pest infestation or sick dying plant. Properly repotted plants bounce back quickly and grow better. If not done properly, transplant stress can cause leaf drop, wilting and yellowing leaves, root damage, slow growth and plant death. Choosing new pot. It is good to choose a pot which is 5 centimeters or 2 inches bigger than the current pot. However, for large floor plants, it is ideal to choose 10 centimeters or 4 inches larger pot. Small plant in oversized pot means lots of soil that can retain lots of water. It can cause root rot and kill the plant. When to repot. Roots are growing throughout the drainage holes or coming out of the top. These are the common signs of root-bound plants. Roots are pushing the plant up and out of the pot. Stunted growth, which means plant is growing slowly than usual or stopped growing except in winter. Plant is very big and heavy at the top and could fall over. Potting soil dries up quickly and plant requires frequent watering than usual. Leaves droop frequently even after thorough watering. After purchasing a new plant, inspect it closely for any pests. When the plant has been isolated and adjusted to its new environment, it should be repotted. It gives an insight about the root's condition and refreshes the soil. If pests, treat the plant and repot it. How to repot. Prepare a mixture of seaweed and root growth or booster supplement with water. Submerge the plant along with its old soil and leave it for at least an hour. It will loosen up the old soil and soften the roots. Roots are less likely to break when untangling. Nutrient solution helps the plant recover better from the stress and shock of repotting. Take the plant out of the mixture and let the water drains out. Remove the old soil gently. If there is mesh, remove it as well. Remove the leftover soil with water. Gently untangle the roots and remove unhealthy roots with sterile scissor or pruning shear. Put fresh potting soil in the planter and add the plant. Do not pack the soil too tightly. After repotting, water the plant thoroughly with the water, seaweed, and root supplement solution. Care after repotting. After repotting, provide plant with lots of bright and direct light and a warm place. Right environment will help perk up the plant. Plant should not be fertilized after repotting for at least a month. Most potting soils have small bead like slow-release fertilizers. Direct sun should be avoided. If repotting in cold season, use lukewarm water to submerge the plant. Plant should be kept on heat mat and away from drafts and heater. It usually takes 1 to 4 weeks for the plant to recover from the shock and adjust in its new pot and soil after repotting. Indoor plants will benefit if repotted every 12 to 18 months. Potting up method. If roots are coming out of drainage holes, but plant is growing well, there is no need to repot. Instead, it is ideal to use potting up method. It causes minimal disruption and shock and has fast recovery. This method involves transferring old soil and plant into a bigger pot and adding fresh potting mix into the bottom, top, and around the sides.